What do you see? I mean, besides my, humanness. Any guesses? Now, this herb, you say? Herb. What the hell's a herb? So, banana is a herb. It ain't a tree, it ain't a shrub, it's a herb. It's soft, it's not woody, so it can't be a shrub or a tree. It's a herbaceous plant. These are its stems. And actually, scrap that. That's not important, is it? The thing is bananas are beautiful growing plants in your food forest, understory plants that don't need a lot of sun, but they can be out in the open. Just be careful that out in the open the wind will rip the leaves to shreds. So even if they are out in the open, you want to protect them up and not have them out in the open, you know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, so they're forest plants. They grow near the river, so they're getting filtered sunlight through the openings in the river. The river carves an opening where sunlight comes through in the forest, so they're getting the benefit of that sunlight. Plus, they're getting water that's coming down and seeping into that river for long after the rain event. Water goes in to the soil after rain, and then it slowly goes in and goes down and fills up in the rivers and creeks, and this will happen for months and months and months and months after rain events. If you've got soil that'll percolate, actually handle water filtration going into it. So they basically got a moist environment where they got filtered sunlight in somewhat protection, half. So they're a good edge plant in that they don't mind it being a little bit wet for a period of time. That's okay for them, as long as it's well draining, because remember, they're on the edge of the bank, which means the water may be going past them, moving, but it ain't sitting still and stagnant. This is not a swamp, this is a river bank. That's what they're growing on, a river bank. So let's just keep this into mind. The other thing that would mimic a river bank would be a hill country, steep hills or so, where the watershed would run off, but you'd still get the seeping water through from another hill up top or from the topland. They come in different shapes and sizes, being there's all different types of banana fruits that taste all different, that have different types of texture. You can grow little ones that are 2 meters tall, the plants, to ones that are going to be 8-10 meters tall. You want to manage them by not letting them get too much vegetation, otherwise they're not going to put the energy into fruit. So you want to take off some of these suckers. You want to have a papa bear, a mama bear, a baby bear, and get rid of the rest. 3. Now, they got lots of moisture in them. They're easy to cut down, perfect drop mulch plants, very useful as a pioneering plant. That's right, remember that word, pioneering plant. Fast growers that we can use to establish our food forest at the beginning. That could be bananas. Thanks for watching.